Yeah, part two, Randy's Den with the battery pack, the 12 volt, 18 amp hour, which that battery is toasted now, and we bumped it up to a 20 amp hour. As you can see, the green one is partially installed. I went right through and got right all over that circuit board and touched it all up. It wasn't even worth picking out good ones from bad ones. There was just tons of bad ones, so I went through and got it all dialed in. So, and a couple connections. There was two that were clipped. You can see right here, that one and that one. There's just two little ends, black wires that were clipped off right there and there. I got rid of them and actually attached some wires, ran them out the side. So them are available for whatever. I'm not sure what them are going to be used for. And, oh, what else did we do? Oh, I did connect all the plus side of the battery. All my power and everything's hooked up on the wires. Got to hook this one up here. We'll run this side. Back this out so it's not right in your face. And get this thing crunching together. Got a final voltage of 12.5 on this battery. It does let me charge it up to a full charge of 14.8. It'll probably end up dropping out and holding, it's saying right about 13.7-ish, somewhere around there, depending on how good the battery is. Seems to be pretty good to me, so it'd be cool if the whole thing works. Get it up and working, it'd be real nice. Chances of that are yet to be seen. Lots of work to be done yet, and a lot of luck to be had. I don't know, judging by that circuit board, there's probably things that ain't gonna work, or maybe nothing works. Right, see if I can get these screws together, get this thing put together here. Wrapped up. Rack up, whacked up. They got the wires for the switch. That other one must be someone clipped the wires for the... No, because I thought that worked. I don't know what they clipped. It doesn't make sense. I swear that I had the air compressor boosting. Not real high, obviously. 9 volts. This one's going to be the fun one. I need some slackage. Taping that would help me get it together a little better. Guess not. That's just going to fight me the whole way. Oh no, it's twisting. What a nightmare. Might have to take a time out here. This could get verbal. Oh, it's verbal. If I lose that wedge, the whole thing falls over. So you don't want that. Where does that thing go? Oh, put that one on top. It's going to want to spin like a mad malarkey. I just gotta hit the hole. Hit the hole. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah, other than that and shoving it together, there ain't much more to it. Oh, how do I want that to go? I guess to the inside. This way it's bent. Pull my shim out. Sorry about that. How much more of that I gotta pull back out? Oh, a bunch. That's straightening right up. It's gonna have to be angled for it to fit right, I believe. Otherwise, gonna want to fight against the side. Right there. Yeah. I'd have to imagine it's got to come back apart or something at least. If I start tightening these strain reliefs on, I'll probably really butcher myself. I got so lucky that that battery was the same size fit. That's awesome. Yeah, just cinch it right up now. As long as I get the bottom, let's just roll it in. All the wires on. That screw is loose, but it's actually just got enough Loctite on it to hold it. It was tightened up with the one spin with the wrench. Right, we're gonna have to do some little hack-a-whack. But yeah, what the hell? Give it a whirl, right? Get a swish on. Let's see what we got here. You can see what I see, and you can hear what I hear. Light is light. Battery test. Oh, a little bit weak. How come even that shitty battery was full? That doesn't make sense. Oh, we got some serious freaking pumping. That's a pump and a pump. Yeah, I'll have to make some marks on where I gotta do some choppage. So it ain't even worth putting any screws in, but yeah. Turn it on so you can see it. Oh, it's building. Ain't worth a shizite. That thing sucked. Anyway, about worthless. Ow. Yow. Ooh, that sucks on the knuckles. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Maybe to get this tested. See what we got for amps. Kidding me, it's not even going to show up. It's got to. It just has to. Got a little 20 ohm heater plate. I think is just need to turn the switch on the front to get that to activate. Let's see. now. What the? What? It's hooked. There shouldn't be any switch. I hooked it right in through the... right through the battery. It should be a direct connection here. 20 ohms, that thing should be barking its freaking pants off. Nope. Off we go. Just go right to it. I'm gonna flip this one because I'm pretty sure the wires are only on the top side or bottom side. So you gotta mash them teeth. The other two teeth don't matter. Oh yeah, we got waxing. Let's see if we can get that. Oh my god, you're telling me it's more than 20? It's like shunting it right out. I don't know. This thing's got issues. I need to do a bunch of testing in that. I'll get working on it, see what I can come up with. Always appreciate you guys stopping by, checking it out. I'll get it all tuned up. That thing will work actually quite nice. There can't be much involved with between the cables. I mean, it's straight cables right to the battery. So I mean, that's the main thing that I want anyway. I don't really care about the compressor or any other stupid readings or that or a dumb light. It does nothing. So as long as I got jumper cables with a good battery, that's bonus to me. So appreciate you guys stopping by. Stop back again. New videos every week. And Randy's Den. Thank you.